Now I request our Director Refineries, Adharniya B.K. Namdev sir, to address this gathering.
Respected CNMD, Director HR, Director Finance, Director Marketing, Samaria ji, EDMR, EDVR, sorry, and CEC के President, Jadhav Gauru and बंसोड़े जी और CEC के जो एक्टिव मेंबर है जो हमेशा पीछे रह के बहुत आगे काम करते हैं, इंग्ले जी and all my senior colleagues and the office bearer who has come from a different zone. Very good evening I say. And I would like to welcome you also. You may ask why I should do the welcome. Because most of my service is very good part or great long part I spent in the Vizag refinery. So I feel family of the Vizag. So that is I would like to welcome to all of you. Now I think you have come at this conference because first conference also I have attended in Mumbai and this is the second one, and the time and venue which has been chosen by the CEC I think is really go in the long way, because for Vizag refinery committee was looking for long time to have this type of the conference, and I think since last 1 year this discussion was going on. It's supposed to be somewhere in October or November, but due to Hudud I think it could not take in place. But I'm very happy that Vizag refinery has extended all the supports to have this conference. This will go in the, especially for Vizag, I don't hesitate to tell you, but by keeping this conference here, there will be a long way it will go for the Vizag Refinery Associations. So thank you to the CEC. I think Mr. Ganesh has already told about the Vizag specialty, but for us it has got a different meaning because it is one of our biggest refineries. We have a pipelines. Apart from our zonal office, we have here our joint venture ACLPG, and especially for us now, government has made that ISPRL, where we have our own stake of 0.33. So considering this place, I think is very great importance for the HPCL, and I request to all of you, I think you will be about 120 members and office bearer, don't lose the opportunity to visit this place, and especially I think many of the people you must have not seen the refineries, please see that, and I request Mr. Ganesh and CEC member ke sometime you find out in your program and see that all members visit the Vizag refinery. Okay, so that is my special request. In fact, this is a season where Vizag, most of the people or each house people will go on the picnic. So it's like because this from October to February, I think the best place is like a hill station. So I wish you all will enjoy in this conference, because you all the way you must have come, you have came here, so definitely you should see. Now come to the things about the conference. There is a remarkable improvement in the conference what I saw in the first time and what I saw this time. I think thanks to CEC and other office bearer, they made a very beautiful, comfortable and feel good factors about this conference, and the people who must have attended last time and here is a good feel factor is coming, and you feel some energy in that. So, this is the way I think things go. congratulate to all the organizers. I think in last in the morning, Sambaryaji and other people has seen the presentation made by all the teams. That presentation, you must have discussed so many things also, and some point must have come also about the presidential directive and all these things. I wanted to assure you, whom you have given the award, HP Seva Guru and our director HR, they are much aggressive. Okay, so on those front, I think you should not bother. What is need to be done minimum, we always think for to do the maximum what we can do it. And Mr. Sambarya Sahab also has given his observation in DPC and things. So that part I think you should rest assured in behalf of management. You should not bother. It will be done much better than what has been written in the presidential rule. So that is what confidence you people are having in the organization and you should have. Come to the subject, accelerate to excel. Of course, so many the topics, and when Mr. Ingle was telling, in so many areas a lot of work has been done. But still, I feel, and Mr. Sambaryaji has rightly said, we owe to the society a lot. Okay. All the people have, means many people who really deserve for this benefit, still it has not come, it has not gone. So it is a duty who has got a benefit, they should see that those benefits who really deserve should get. And whatever the activities in this organization or in this meet you are doing, I think we need to do much beyond that, so that right thing can go to the right person also. Then only it will think. And I think somewhere just somebody has used that. We are the good employees. But our next generation should be the good employer. Means your next generation should see that they give the employment. And I think there is one topic, panel discussion is also there as an entrepreneur. And I think I have seen that somewhere yesterday in the paper. That was a great, I think it got coincide with this Union Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment, Mr. Gehlot, who has announced about the government intention to create a venture capital fund for scheduled costs with the initial capital of 200 crores. In collaboration with the Industrial Financial Corporation of India, which will act as a sponsor, settler and asset management company as a nodal agency. And see, objective of is something is very objective. It has been envisaged to provide concessional finance to SC entrepreneurs who will create a wealth for society as well as promote a profitable business. The assets so created will be also created forward, backward and linkage. It is a good initiative from the government side, and all should try to take the benefit. Means your new generation, because you are the good employees here, but other people who have gotten, it's a very small thing is also there. Loan from 1 lakh to up to 50 crores also will be given through this organization. So thanks to CAC, I think he has chosen a very good subject at the correct time to debate on that. Of course, tomorrow I don't know whether I'm not sure whether I'll be able to participate, but these are the things is there. Apart from that, I think within so many 120 numbers and multiply 3,900 members are there. Look for the present scenario, what is happening. Give the really something specific. I think thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.